What happens when the flavors of Acapulco and Oaxaca meet in the kitchens of San Miguel de Allende? Let's find out. In this episode, we step into the kitchen of two culinary masters who bring the vibrant flavors of Acapulco and Oaxaca straight to San Miguel de Allende. From markets brimming with rich ingredients to stunning plates and crafted beverages, come and see how they transform tradition into culinary beauty. It is an honor for me to be in the kitchen of Daniela and Paco, the dynamic duo, and they are married. So it brings a little extra flair to the kitchen. So Daniela, thank you so much for having me here today.
No.
So tell us what we're making.
Yes, for today we are cooking our special dish. The name is crema de poblano.
Okay, and that's cream of poblano soup, right?
Yes,
Okay.
it's our most important dish from Hierba Santa. And important to say about the special dish from the season, the chile nogada.
Chile nogada. So that is like a stuffed poblano.
Yes,
With
yes.
a cream and granada, right?
Yes,
Pomegranates?
Sure. Yes, sure. And
so
this is a special dish for the Independence Day.
Yes. I can't wait. Let's get started.
Start.
So you all know I absolutely love food, and I smell all these ingredients and I'm like dying to get started. Yeah. So Daniela, can you tell us what are the ingredients for the poblano, or crema de poblano?
Yes. Okay, let's start. This is the ingredients for the crema de poblano. We start with the huitlacoche. Okay, this is the fungus from the corn.
Oh my goodness, okay. I've never had this, and I've been in Mexico for 2 years now.
So it's really popular.
Oh, okay, we're gonna try it.
So the white corn, the epazote leaf, it's really traditional too. The requesón.
Requesón is cottage cheese, or Mexican cottage cheese.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
A flair of the seasonings, and I can't wait to try it.
So we mix with epazote and chile.
Okay.
This is the crema de poblano, milk, and for the final and really important, butter.
Oh my gosh, Daniela, all of this looks so fresh. Is this one of the key features for your restaurant?
Yes, every time I say the same. The ingredients are really fresh, and we made every dish at the moment.
Oh, amazing. So when you come here, you've got to be prepared to just enjoy a moment with friends, get a beautiful crafted beverage, and you'll have a culinary masterpiece, art presented right in front of you. So I can't wait. So are we starting with sauteing?
Yes, sure.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I have some of the key ingredients.
Okay.
How do we start, Daniela?
We start with butter and the epazote to infuse the epazote leaf. It's the secret for that recipe.
Yes. Okay, so you have to start with the butter.
Yeah.
I will get a little butter on there.
That's
great.
And we put a little bit of oil.
Okay.
And then the epazote.
And then the epazote. Yeah. All of it?
Yeah.
Did I do all of it? Okay. We put the leaves. ¿Y todo?
Sí.
Ay, okay. Wow.
Okay.
Oh, it looks so good. I wish you could smell this.
It smells, yes.
It smells incredible. The herbs. Oh, the butter. Amazing.
So in this moment, it's a moment to put the corn.
Add the corn. Okay, we're gonna add some corn. Todo?
Yes.
Okay. We add all the corn.
And the huitlacoche.
The huitlacoche.
Ay, muy bien.
Now that the vegetables are sauteed and they smell amazing, this is the most exciting part. I can't wait. Yeah. So we don't really have a word for this in English, but Chef Daniela is about to inflate a tortilla. So get ready.
Yes, ready.
Now is my favorite part. I'm so excited. Let's see.
So we start with the corn infladita. The corn infladita is like a gordita made with masa. And then we put in the oil. So we start, okay? Okay, the name is, this is a prensa.
La prensa,
Yes,
okay.
the prensa.
Like a press, a tortilla press.
Yes.
Okay.
So we use for the tortilla, huaraches.
This is like a key ingredient, the fresh tortillas, the masa that was made this morning.
This is the size, and that's the important moment, okay?
Yes.
So,
And by adding the oil to the top, it inflates. Look at that!
And that's the infladita.
Once you take it out, it's nice and crispy, like a tostada, like an inflated tostada. Now for the tricky part. I am going to fill the infladita, the stuffed, what do you call it? An inflatable tortilla with the Mexican cottage cheese. But I want to ask Chef Daniela, what filled your heart when you met your husband? I want to know how you guys met.
It's really important that history because we met at the school in Acapulco. We studied culinary school.
I love that.
12 years ago.
Oh my goodness.
So we started with Hierba in 2020 with COVID start.
You opened the restaurant during COVID?
Yes. But right now we have a restaurant, a really cute daughter too.
I saw a picture. She is a doll.
Thank
a little
you.
muñeca. I can't believe it.
Thank you. So,
okay, is it ready?
yes, perfect. And so
now,
we put,
and then I flip it.
yes.
You guys, I did it.
Perfect.
Thank
Perfect.
you. So stay tuned because we're almost finished for the final touch to make this creation into an art piece. Chef Daniela, I just experienced art in the making with these two incredible dishes. She plated them in front of me and I almost don't want to eat them because they're so beautiful, but they smell so good, I can't resist. I'm going to eat them. But I wanted to ask you, while I'm kind of trying this, I know that there's fusion of different flavors from Mexico, from Oaxaca, Guerrero, which is Acapulco's in Guerrero, and then the Yucatan.
Yeah.
So tell us what kind of inspired this, and I'd love to hear a little more about this dish that you created.
Okay, the crema de poblano is my creation, and we use some ingredients so important in Guerrero. The epazote, we use the epazote for a lot of dishes in Guerrero, so that's really important ingredient. So I really inspired in the flor de calabaza, verdolaga, cilantro criollo, so many ingredients rich in Guerrero.
I love that. And so if you want to try this crema de poblano, you have to come here to see Chef Daniela, because I even saw her put the flor de calabaza is the flower of the
Zucchini.
Zucchini.
Yeah.
It's a zucchini flower. So this is, my mouth is going to have an explosion of flavor. I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. And Chef Daniela, you were telling me that this is only this season of the year for Independence Day. Can you tell us what's inside the poblano?
Yes, the chile en nogada, it's stuffed with beef with pork, and then we put some fruits like a pineapple, plantain, some almonds. Yes, a lot of things. I think that's the difficult to make. That's the reason it's really difficult to make. And they have granada. It's for that season.
Pomegranate.
Yeah.
This is incredible. It's the best flavor of savory, sweet. It's nutty. It's very soft, but then the outside has the breading. It is so delicious.
Thank you. We made with love. That's the secret.
Right now I get to try the crema de Poblano, Daniela's creation. Oh my goodness. Oh, and in front of me is this amazing lemonade with passion fruit. So limonada de maracuya.
Maracuya.
I've got to try it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have two. Okay, I cleanse the palate. Here we go. Oh my goodness, Daniela. If I can describe, it's creamy, it's savory, it has spice.
Yes.
This is the chili.
Yeah.
So it warms your mouth and your throat. It is incredible. And I haven't even tried the tortilla.
Yes, infladita.
Infladita.
Yes.
Okay, let's give that a try. This is as delicious as it looks. Like, please come to San Miguel immediately. And if you already live here, you need to come and try Daniela's masterpiece. This is exquisite. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
I absolutely love San Miguel de Allende because of the connections. Whether you're grabbing a cup of coffee and chatting with Chris at Café de la Mancha, or enjoying a date night at Mesa Marrakesh with Chef JJ there, or you enjoy a culinary artistic experience here with Paco and Daniela, San Miguel is a community. Next episode, we will explore what life is like on a luxury budget here in San Miguel de Allende.